How to fix apps not working in Redmi Note 13. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then click on System Apps Updater. Now here you can see your apps and then update your app. After update your apps, then go back and scroll down and click on apps and then click on manage apps. Now here you can clear your app cache from here. After clear your app cache, then go back and click on about phone and then click on Xiaomi Hyper OS. Now here you can check your software updates. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, go back and scroll down in last and click on additional settings. And then scroll down and here you can do your factory reset. After factory reset, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.